This is Samsung Galaxy A30S, and today I will show how you can insert SIM and SD cards into this phone. So first you'll obviously need to have one or two SIM cards, your memory card, and some kind of injection tool. If you do not have it on you, check the phone's packaging. You always get an injection tool alongside the phone, so check your box. If you haven't found it still, you can also use a needle or the unfolded paperclip. Now, take your phone, lock its screen, look at the left side of your phone's frame. Here is the SIM card tray, and you gotta put your injection tool into this hole. So put it in, align it, and then push it all the way. The SIM card / memory card tray should pop right out. Here you have a slot for memory card or SD card, and 2 slots for SIMs. So now let's install them. Just align your cards with their respective slots. It shouldn't be hard at all. Once you align it properly, it should slot itself right into place. You can also, the tray alignment also follows the alignment of your SIM and SD card respectively. So once again, the process shouldn't cause any problems or difficulties. So just make sure that everything is aligned and stays in place like that, and then return the SIM card tray into your smartphone. And all that is left to do on your end is to wait until all those cards will be initialized, and if any of the SIM cards you've inserted need some further setup, you'll need to perform it, but that's a pretty situation specific thing, so I will not be able to cover this topic in this video. But anyway, as far as the theme of this video goes, the upbeat guys, SIM cards and SD card were inserted and installed successfully, so thanks for watching, and bye bye.